Hey guys, it's me, THC, the Happy Cultivator, and it's time for the update on the Urban Empire. So here we are, guys, at the Urban Empire. And as you see, floor joists have been finished. We have rough plumbing in, guys. Look at that. What? Rough plumbing in, sewer line. And now, look back there. There it is. Let's go, guys. Let's check it out. But before we check it out, look at the bathroom gutted. So this was the old bathroom. It is gutted. It's going to be moved around a little bit. So we're going to be throwing the shower over here now. And then there'll be a little laundry room there. But now, come on out. Here it is. This is what we've been talking about, guys. The new improved war room. Check it out. You know, I had a little Instagram video I did in the dark, but now we're in the light, guys. So here it is. Look at her in all her glory. She's a biggin. Come on down the side here, because this is where the side door will be. So we'll come on in here. And I'll show you. Look, the door leads straight out into the garden, guys. How else would you want it? But look at her. She's beautiful. She's big. There's going to be lots of room in here. We're going to be getting it. Getting all the projects done. Look at this. This is like a 2.5 car garage. It's beautiful. I love it. Tents galore. That's all I'm going to say. Tents galore. But yeah, there you go, guys. Urban Empire is coming along. As you see. Very exciting. Next step is putting down the insulation in the floor. And then it'll get an inspection, and then it'll be pretty much all hands on deck there, framing it on up and installing, and then it'll be the final push to the final inspection. Very exciting. Big things happening out here. Big things. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.